Today I'm going to be talking about a simple change that I made to allow me to catapult my business and make my first 6 figures within a 10-month period. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Tristan and I went from struggling freelancer to barely being able to sell £500 websites to now comfortably being able to sell over £5,000 websites. And I've been running my successful web design company for over 4 years now. Now this video today, it's not really about web design, but what it is about positioning yourself as the problem solver that businesses need so you can increase your sales. I'm going to be breaking down 13 real reasons that business owners face that you can solve by way of a website. Now the reality is business owners, they just don't buy websites anymore, especially now when there are a lot of tools online that will allow them to build their own websites. But what they do buy is solutions to their problems. These are problems that are painful enough for them that they're willing to part way with money to have them solved. And these types of problems, they're going to stem from a deep-rooted desire for them to reach a specific goal. And so we need to be able to identify that goal and what common problems exist that are preventing them from reaching it. And once we know this, it becomes a lot easier for us as a web designer to offer them a solution that's going to allow them to reach their goal and fix their problems. All right, so let's talk about what problems a website can fix for a business. So first of all, customers can't find them online. This is really common, okay? Now it might be that their ideal customer doesn't even know that they exist because they haven't implemented any marketing within their website. So you'd need a website that was better optimized for search, so implemented keywords, and you could explore SEO opportunities there. But from a website delivery build perspective, you need to make sure that it was well structured, had a good navigation, and loaded fast. Another problem that business owners face is that they just can't generate leads or inquiries into their business. So this could be a symptom of what we've just discovered. They can't be found. Maybe there is no search opportunity because people can't discover them on Google. Maybe they are being discovered on Google, but there just isn't enough strong call to actions to allow people to get in touch with them. Maybe their website isn't strong enough in terms of visuals and just doesn't give off the right vibe with their ideal customer, doesn't build enough trust, and a new website is able to fix all of these things. Next, we've got customers can't buy or book with us. This then raises the question, does it need e-commerce functionality? Maybe they need to be able to sell or book online and they just don't have the functionality to do so. Or maybe they do have the functionality to do so and it's just not performing as strongly as they would like. Okay, so you could build them a website that has e-commerce. You could include things like abandoned cart functionality to increase the conversion rate. You could add adequate monitoring, tracking so they can understand the data. You could include upselling functionality as well. Okay, so there's a few ways a new website is going to help a business increase their booking or sales. Next, customers don't trust us. Now this is a huge one and a lot of businesses don't even realize that they are subconsciously judged by everyone that visits their site. So their website really does need to put them in the best possible position. So maybe their website looks poor. Maybe there's no testimonials. Maybe there's no reviews or case studies. Maybe they've got bad images. Maybe they've got stock photography and no photography of the team or the business and it just doesn't feel very personal. Maybe it's not got an SSL certificate, okay, whatever it is, they're not able to build trust between their business and their ideal customer by way of their website. And a new website can solve all of these things. Next, customers don't know what we do or what we offer. So this means that maybe their messaging isn't all that clear. Maybe there's no clear value proposition up in their main hero section. Is there even a services section on the website? Do they need a new website that allows them to not only have the value proposition but also include services? Okay, these are all things, again, a new website can solve. Maybe there's a problem with them struggling to pay staff and they're thinking about redundancies. Like, this is more of a deep problem, but it's a problem that can exist. And it is also a problem that I've witnessed as my time as a web designer. Basically, if their business isn't making them money, then by you delivering them a new professional website that does what they need it to do, coupled with some good marketing, it should help them make more money and overcome this problem. Next, they might be overwhelmed or stressed because they are trying to fix the website themselves. Maybe they're aware of a problem with their website and they think that they can go to a DIY tool and try and fix this problem themselves, only to find that the tool is more difficult to use than they first anticipated and they just don't know what they're doing. Now this is super common because often our ideal customer, they're not tech savvy. That's why we are here. So the task of them trying to build a good, solid professional website could be quite a mammoth task for them. And often a business will just pay someone to take that burden off their hands and do a good job. That's why we are here. So we can come in and we can remove that overwhelm, that pain for them. Next, we don't appear credible or professional. Now, often this could be a symptom of a super old, outdated site, and just having a brand new professional website can fix this. But it might be again that they don't have any testimonials or reviews or social proof on their website, and that would be something that you're able to help them build into a new site as well. Next, we've got website visitors are not converting. Okay, maybe they've got good traffic coming to their website already. Maybe they are already doing well at SEO. Maybe they're paying for ads, but those visitors are just not turning into customers, sales, or leads. Like this, again, is a problem because their website is not doing the job that it's supposed to do in converting visitors into inquiries or sales. So you can offer them a website that's better equipped for this. Offer them a website that has more opportunities for people to get in touch, that has clear messaging, that is able to take them on a journey and kind of move them down a funnel. Once you understand the pain, you can start thinking about what solutions that you're able to provide a business to help them overcome this problem that they are facing. Next, we've got their website does not work on mobile or looks outdated. Okay, websites need to be responsive these days and it needs to work on mobile. Google have even gone mobile first with all of their search engine optimization, so it has to go mobile first. Now you don't have to build it mobile first, but you just need to make sure that it's well optimized for mobile. Even if the business, most of their visitors may be coming from desktop, it needs to work on mobile. Okay, it's absolutely non-negotiable. But also on this point, it might be that their website just doesn't look professional. It looks outdated. Maybe they've got poor imagery. Maybe there's visual design. It's unclear, poor structure. Now you're going to notice a bit of a trend before we finish this up. Often the answer is a brand new website, but that brand new website needs to make sure that it is, trying to work towards solving the specific problems that the business owner is facing, and you're not just delivering a cookie cutter approach. When you can understand this is when you are able to charge more money because you're becoming the consultant, the doctor. You're figuring out what the problem is and you're delivering a solution which they are happy to pay for because you're removing the pain. Hopefully that's clear. Now next we've got competitors look better than us. Okay, this is more of an ego thing, but you kind of want to understand from them, what do they mean by this? What, from their perspective, do they feel that their competitors are doing better than them? And then you can start to look, okay, well, yes, we can include X, Y, and Z into your website so you can compete with your competitors. But again, often this could be a symptom of a poor visual design or outdated website. Or maybe they've done a DIY project and it's got them so far, but now they want something that's a lot more professional and they want someone to handle that. So they know that it's taken care of by a professional. Next, we're embarrassed to share the website. Again, this is super common. I've spoken to countless businesses that have had this problem. Maybe their website's so old and it served them well for so long, but now they're embarrassed. Maybe it loads slow, maybe the images no longer reflect the business, maybe the content and the type of website doesn't reflect the size or the current position of the business, whatever it might be. It might be that they're looking to get investment for their website and they're not able to send their current site out. Maybe they're even looking to hire a team and they don't want their website to be the reason why a good candidate doesn't approach them for the job. And finally, we are losing out on bids and proposals. Now, again, this could be a deeper problem that they are losing out on work and they have the desire to acquire more work by way of their website. And will often be a combination of all the problems that we've spoken about already in some way or another. It might be that they have specific requirements that their website needs to meet in order to be considered for these bids or proposals. Or there might just be an overall lack of credibility from their site or a lack of trust between their business and whoever it is that they're looking to get a bid or proposal accepted from. So there you go, that covers a lot of problems that you can identify and your services as a web designer can solve by delivering a website. This is why we go through the process of discovery call and then demonstration call, because the discovery call allows us to really understand what problems or challenges our ideal customer is facing. And then we can go away and we can build them a bespoke solution that's going to help overcome those problems. This is how we're able to charge thousands of pounds for a website. If we're just trying to deliver them a website, they can buy that by way of Wix or Squarespace, or they can just install a template. So we need to dig into what problems they're facing and deliver them a solution. So now hopefully you understand what problems you can solve. Hopefully you found this video valuable. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. There's an end screen coming up with more valuable content for you. Go and check that out. But that's it for me. I appreciate you and I will see you in the next video. Bye.